Hi, today in front of me NAVITEL T787 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the application and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app. And tap yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. So you will see here information about my battery health. So my battery is in a good condition now. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.